Hey everybody, let's review lesson 2.9, telling time on the hour and half past the hour. There's lots of matching going on here in this lesson. We discussed matching these cards up here, and we have analog clocks, digital clocks, and then times written in words and numbers. So I see that this clock says 2:30. We have the hour hand pointing in between the 2 and the 3, which means it's not quite 3 o'clock. It's still the hour of 2. And then we have the minute hand pointing to what looks like it's pointing to the 6, but really this is pointing to the minutes. So if we count these minutes by fives over here, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. This is 2:30. So then I'm going to look for 2:30 on any of these other cards. I see it here. And then I also see 2:30. 2:30 is the same as 2:30. So check and see if there's any of these other ones that match. And then down here for the step up, draw lines to connect the matching times. Cross out the digital clock that does not have a match. So you have 4 analog clocks and 5 digital clocks, which means that one of the digital clocks isn't going to have a match. So you read the times. Some of them are to the hour, some of them are to the half hour. So for example, if the minute hand is pointing to the 12, that's 0 minutes past the hour. Time is going to be on the hour, for example, 7 o'clock. And then you look for the digital clock that matches. There we go. Over here, for number 2, draw lines to connect clocks to times. Cross out the 2 clocks that do not have a match. So you have some times written out in words here in the middle. They will match to times on the left or times on the right, or maybe both. So go ahead and read through these and see what matches. I'm going to read all these for you. 2 o'clock, 4:30, 2:30, 8 o'clock, 1:30, 5:30, 11 o'clock, and 3:30. So then you take a look at the analog and digital clocks and match them up. Let's do one together. So this clock right here, if we look at the hour hand, that's the short hand. It's pointing just past the 4, not quite to the 5, so it is 4 something. Let's see. The minute hand is pointing down here to the 6. We need to count the minutes though. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So this means that it's 4:30. Another way to say 4:30 is 4:30. Remember, because 30 minutes is half an hour, a full hour is 60 minutes, 30 is half of 60. And then for the step ahead, some information is missing from these clocks. Figure out each time. So you have some clocks with some missing numbers. You need to figure out what the time is and write it on the digital clock. All right, guys, have fun and let me know if you have any questions.